Welcome to my channel, and for tonight's video, just a raw vlog. Pupunta lang tayo ng convenience store, bibili tayo ng ramen chops, bibili tayo ng cup noodles, yung maanghang. I'm just craving for a spicy noodle for tonight. Hindi pa ako nag-dinner actually, so if I'm able to see balot, sa ko na ako makita niya balot later on dito. So yeah, mga 7-Eleven, it's just maybe 5-minute walk punta doon. So yeah, samahan niyo ako for tonight's vlog. I hope this will be the start of my vlogging career. Oh, jokes. I was actually planning to do vlogs long time ago already, but I can't. I don't know, maybe the time, and also yeah, I'm just not that ready yet before, so this time I think I'm ready enough to do it. We're gonna go in 7-Eleven. Inabayos ko na sinabi yun. Yes, tara na nga. I'm already wearing my glasses. Well, actually, it's almost a year already I've been wearing my glasses because you know that. So yeah, I decided, guys, pupunta tayo ng 7-Eleven, bibili tayo ng ramen. I think hindi naman naabot ng more than 100 lahat. So I decided to budget. I'm just gonna bring 200 pesos. So iba-budget natin ito for spicy noodle and balot. And if may nakita ako sa hindi pupunta. Pero may nakita ko dun sa 7-Eleven, sure, additional. So basta, I'm just gonna budget the 200 pesos for our dinner today. I have to also buy something for tonight kasi I got up at 12 midnight and I'm gutom ganting. So eto na siya, guys. We're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna walk through there. I'm just gonna vlog. So it's just a short vlog, I hope. So madami ko na sinasabi. Bye-bye! Guys, guard antin. I've been to 7-Eleven already. I was able to bought things that I wanted to buy. Super kapoy, guys. Ang init-init. My goodness gracious. Kasi ginawa ko, guys, para akong nag-ikot ng Family Mart. Kasi yung daanan naman iba. Finally, nakauwi na rin ako. Sorry guys, kasi papunta doon, hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog. And then sa Family Mart, wala din akong, I was able to had vlogs that many because, syempre, baguhan pa auntie nyo. Hiya-hiya pa tayo, diba? Just maybe dyan naman ako, just sa noodles section lang, yun lang. Bibidyoan ko sana yung ibang section, yung parang freezer na ng mga ready-made meals. Pero parang hindi naman worth it na lagay sa vlog kasi wala namang laman. So, basag yung isa. Basag yung isang balot, guys. So, let's have a haul. I bought. So, yeah, these are the things that I bought. Jampong, Lucky Me instant noodles, 3 balots. I don't think if kaya ko yung ubusin later, but I'll do my best. And then, this one, si ano lang ata yung nakita ko na kain nito, si Andy Eigenman. May vlog din sila. In-endorse nila to. I just wanted to try. I don't know anong lasa nito. Pero yeah, I just wanted to try that one. How does it taste? Mag-iinit tayo ng mainit ng tubig, ha? So yun nga, mag-iinit tayo ng tubig para sa ating noodles. Sige na nga guys, nag-iintay na ako na mainit yung mainit na tubig. Kasi lalagyan natin dun sa ating champong. Wala tayong rice ngayon, pero hindi ko nga alam kung much ba tong, I don't know. Let's have some kwento. Pasensya rin yung buko ko guys. Ano talaga yan, rays of the sun. Medyo nahihiya pa akong mag-vlog. Nahihiya pa akong mag-film. Kasi norms of the people talks. Hindi, yung mga tao kasi is sige kuya, dumaan ka muna. Pinakaayaw ko naman pag binuksan mo to. Hindi siya perfect na dito siya. Minsan hindi siya masusunod. So, let's see if we can be able to do it. By the way guys, tatlo kaming nakatira dito sa bahay. Yung pinsan ko, tsaka yung kuya ko. You might see them on my future vlogs. Kasi kakaririn ko na talaga to. So hindi naman makukompleto yung ating noodle experience, Korean experience, pag walang chopsticks. So guys, let's eat. So right now, I'm gonna eat the balut. Sabay yun. I'm on to my second one. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like me to do some challenges and ibang videos, you can just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Once again, this is Iyay. See you in my next vlog. Share love, share smile, share happiness. Bye bye.